There's a playlist, full playlist called functions. Please watch all of these videos. They are really important. There is a playlist called functions. This is very important. I will watch them together with you. So this is a linear function. Why? Because x is increasing by 7 every time and y is decreasing by 5. Question 2, x is increasing by 2 every time because 2, 4, 6, 8. Whereas y is decreasing by 4, 8, 4, 0, negative 4. This is linear function. First one for you. For any relation or any function, there is a domain and there is a range. Yalla, what is domain? What is range? Who remembers?
And y.
It's like X and Y.
Exactly. Domain is x, range is y. For example, let's say that the domain is our names, the range is our families. So the domain will be Nizar, Ghanem, Khalifa, Rashid, Faisal, Abdul Aziz. The range will be Kiwan, Al-Imadi, Al-Abedli, Ibrahim. You got it?
Yes.
The domain
Yeah.
How are you, Smailo? As a set between.
Good, Mustafa.
Okay. How to write the domain and the range? This is very important. We put them in braces. Only number 2, only number 3, only number 4. Those are for x. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Range will represent y. y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Don't put that parenthesis because it will look like a point, xy. No, this is braces. It gives you the names like Ghanem, Rashid, Faisal. The braces for the range will be the families, Kiwan, Al-Imadi, Ismail Al-Imadi. So this is the first video. Please watch it. I will put it on the slide. And the second one, function notation. What is function notation, sweethearts? Function is y, relation between y and x. The notation is, how can we call y? Give it another name as a function. We call it fx. F bracket x close bracket. It's like me. I have my professional name is Nizar, but my nickname is Abu Saleh. It's like fx and y, the same. So from today on, in grade 11 and 12, in Algebra 2 and pre-calculus, please be careful. From today on, whenever I say fx, quickly you understand, please, that it's y, okay? fx is the same as... Hello everyone, today I want to do... fx is the same as y. Y equals fx. This is a function, right? It looks like mx plus b, but here b is 0. Y equals 4x. How can I write it as a function notation? Who knows? We'll take +1 if you know.
Mr. Can you repeat the question one more time?
The question is, y equal 4x. How can I write it here as a function notation?
F and then
F colon x equal 4.
4x.
The second one, y equals x plus 3. How can how can I write it as a function notation?
F over this one x equals x plus 3.
X plus 3. Guys, copy and paste it as it is. Just remove y and put fx. And instead of saying our math teacher is Nizar, you can say our math teacher is Abu Saleh. Same thing, just change y, put fx. Now, when x is 9, what do you think y is? Just substitute x with 9. We write it like that. F when x is 9 equal, I mean fx, but instead of x we put 9. هي 4x, يعني 4 bracket 9 close bracket. Remove x, put 9. 4 times 9, 36. Easy?
Yes.
Y fx equals x plus 3. عم بقول لك, what is y when x is 9? Who can solve question 2 for me?
We could miss everything, but we changed the x and this one in the bracket.
Yalla.
We put it 9.
You will take +1, but please tell me exactly what I should write. F parenthesis 9.
9.
What?
Then equals 9.
9 plus 3
Yes.
equals 12. Yay, Ismailo, good job. Be careful. It's really, really important. If fx equals 2x, x is the variable for the function of x or the related to x, which is y. The most popular letter used to name a function is the letter F. By the way, you can say any other letter like jx, fx, kx, whatever you like. The most popular one is y, f. If fx equals 2x, so here y equals 2x. F here is the name of the function. X here is the variable. What's the meaning of variable? Variable is The thing that is changing all the
The
time.
letter that you don't know what is the number, so you put an X.
Variable,
or
very good,
Y.
because it's changing all the time.
Yes.
I will give you a story for this function. Fx equals 2x. X here is your age. Fx here is my age. Yani y. My age is double your age. So your age is changing. That's why we call it variable. And my age also is changing regarding your like if you are 10 years old, I will be 20. If you are 15 years old, I will be 30. This is the relation between y and x. I am y, you are x. Or my age is y, your age is x. This is such an example. It's not always 2x. It might be 10x plus 5. It might be x power 2 minus 3x plus 6. It might be x power 10. It's not always linear function. There are like many types of functions, but now we are focusing on linear function, mx plus b. So each function has a variable and a name. The name of the function is fx, which is y, and x here is the variable that can be changed. And the 2x tells you the equation. Now fx equals 2x is the same thing as y equals 2x. سي بقول لك ما بتفرق بالماث اذا كتبت y equal 2x او اذا كتبت fx equals 2x. They are the same. So fx and y are the same. So fx is the nickname of y. Now evaluate. عم بقول لك. So in the exam you will have a question called evaluate. F4. What is the meaning of F4? Who can explain it to me in the table?
Like 4 is like the x.
Because x equal 4 and the function is that.
What is the value of the function when x is 4, right?
Yes.
Very great. Yalla, give me the answer for the first one. And Ismail will give me the second.
X equals 20x.
20x or 20?
Mister, it will become 20.
أيوة,
Because
remove
five
x.
divided by four.
Smilo, remove x. You removed x already and put 4. Why do you give me 20x at the end? X is 4 now. خلاص انساها صار اسمها 4. The second one, f4 equals 4 plus 2. 6. تاخذوا سر مني؟
Equal 4. 4 to the power of 2.
أيوة بتاخذوا سر.
Times 4 plus 1.
Very great. Is 4 power 2 8?
No, it's 16.
No, it's 16.
Very great. So 16 plus 3 times 4 is 12. 16 plus 12 plus 1. How much? 16 plus 12 plus 1.
29.
Very great. Now competition between Khalifa, Ghanem and Ismail. Who gives me the final answer for the last?
F4 equal 4 times 4. Mister, 4 times 4 minus 3 equals 13.
Khalifa, can you answer the last thing down? What is the what should I put in the face down? If the function has more than one term or variable, one term, what is the meaning of one term? For example, here 4x minus 3. This is 2 terms. The one before it, a power 2 plus 3a plus 1. 3 terms because it has a 3 part.
Into the function because f colon x.
So Ghanem said I have to write here the word function. What do you think, Khalifa?
No, mister, you need to write it in the x in the function.
If function has more than one term with a variable, make sure to plug your input each term.